Hi guys and welcome to this video. So in this video I'll be talking about tomorrow market analysis, that is Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty analysis, and also I'll be telling you the two stocks what I selected for tomorrow's intraday trading, and also I'll be telling you guys how you can identify the levels for tomorrow's stock what I've selected. Yes, so I'll be telling you the calculation secret, so which you can do the calculation and you can find out the tomorrow's maximum high and the lows and support and resistance level for tomorrow's stocks what I've selected. Okay, so make sure you watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel will be amazing. You guys can go inside my channel and watch all the videos, a lot of educational videos, strategies, and also every day I upload the daily live trade what I do. So if you guys wish to earn constant profit like this in entire trading, you can join us today. Okay, so guys, as by being said that, now let's talk about the Nifty 50 maximum high and low what it can go for tomorrow, and which you can also use it as a resistance and support level. Please make sure guys this video is only for educational purpose, and I'm not asking you to trade or invest in these levels or stock. This is only for educational purpose. Okay, and now let's talk about the Nifty 50. So the maximum high the Nifty 50 what can go tomorrow is around 18157, that is 18,157, and the maximum low what it can come is around 17755. Okay, that is 17,755, and these two the middle levels are around 18,056, so this can be as a one of the resistance level, and next support level will be around 17,855. Okay, so now let me quickly tell you how I got this level. So the closing price of the previous day is around 17956, so 17,956 plus 200 will give you the answer of the maximum high. Okay, and 17,956 plus 100, okay, will give you this answer, that is 18,058, and 17,956 minus 200 will give you the maximum low, and minus the 100 will give them 17855 levels. Okay, this was how the calculation was done for the Nifty 50. And now let's talk about the Bank Nifty. Okay, so for the Bank Nifty, if you guys can see here, the maximum what this stock can go is around 43072 for tomorrow, and the maximum low what it can go tomorrow is around 41929. Okay, so the support level are around 42214, and next resistance level is around 42783. So either of these levels can touch tomorrow. Okay, and now let's talk about the calculation part, how we got this. So it's very simple. So closing price plus 570 and minus 570 will give you the answer of maximum high and low, and 285 closing price plus 285 will give you the resistance, that is 42783, and 42500 minus 285 will give you this support level, that is 42214, somewhere around there. Okay, so this was how the calculation was done for the Bank Nifty. Okay, so guys, yes, this was for the Nifty and Bank Nifty. And before I tell you the stock calculation, if you guys are new to a stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn the whole process of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my course today. In my course, I'll teach you the simple skill to make consistent profit, no indicators and no complicated things. It's a one-time payment, you get lifetime support. Even in the live market, the personal trade for a tech, I'll be guiding you with you guys once you join us. We do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program, and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also, these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Okay, so guys, yes, by being said that, now let's talk about the ICICI Bank first. So I have selected ICICI Bank and HCL Tech, two stocks for trading. So now I'll tell you the calculation what you guys have to do, which will be very simple. You just have to calculate that. Okay, so that's when you'll get the tomorrow's level. So first thing is, tomorrow at after 9:15, once the market opens, just see the opening price of ICICI Bank. Okay, this is the previous days. So tomorrow once the market opens, just see the open price of the ICICI Bank. And now what you have to do is, you have to add open price plus 17 to find out the maximum high for tomorrow, and open price minus 17 to find out the maximum low for tomorrow. And now to find out the middle levels, that is support and resistance level, you can add open price plus 8 to find out one of the resistance level, and open price minus 8 to find one of the support level for ICICI Bank. Okay, and now let's talk about the HCL Tech. Okay, so for the HCL Tech, the number will be 22. Okay, so the same thing, you have to just see at 9:15 what's the opening price is at HCL Tech, and add opening price plus 22 to find the maximum high, and opening price minus 22 to find the maximum low for tomorrow. And to find out the key support and resistance level, we will do opening price plus 11 and opening price minus 11 for the HCL Tech. So guys, yes, this was the calculation for tomorrow's entire trading. So yes, you guys can calculate it in the live market tomorrow and see it how it will perform. Okay, so those level will be more accurate once you calculate with the opening price of tomorrow's. Okay, because the stock opening price matters a lot. So once you calculate the numbers with this opening price, you will get the more accurate values. So that's why I'm telling you guys to calculate this and observe this. Okay, so yes, this is the calculation for tomorrow, and this is the market analysis and the two stocks analysis what I done for tomorrow. Okay, so guys, yes, if you guys like this video, do give a like for this video, and also do subscribe to my channel. And if you guys wish to get the daily live market analysis from me, do let me know in the comment section. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon. So guys, you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. So I upload daily live trades about what trade I take and what trade I do. So you can see all the performance, and if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us. I'll be guiding you guys personally in the live market. The same trade what I take and the same levels what I do, you will get the same trades as well. Okay, so if you are interested to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now.